Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start Korsakoff psychosis. Other name for the Korsakoff psychosis is Korsakoff dementia, Korsakoff syndrome, amnesic confabulatory syndrome, or Korsakoff syndrome. It is a neurological disorder caused by lack of vitamin B1 or thiamine. It is a psychological disease, develops in chronic alcoholics. Then silent feature, first described by Russian neuropsychiatrist Sergei Korsakov. Late neuropsychiatric manifestation of वर्निक्स इंसेफेलोपैथी. तो पहले आएगा वर्निक्स इंसेफेलोपैथी, उसके बाद फिर डेवलप करेगा कोर्साकोफ साइकोसिस, और दोनों को मिला के क्या करते हैं वर्निक्स कोर्साकोफ सिंड्रोम WKS. कोर्साकोफ साइकोसिस इज ऑफन accompanied by वर्निक्स इंसेफेलोपैथी, वर्निक्स कोर्साकोफ सिंड्रोम. क्लिनिकल फीचर, तो फर्स्ट एमनेसिया, एंटेरोग्रेड और रेट्रोग्रेड बोथ. एंटेरोग्रेड मीन्स इनएबिलिटी टू फॉर्म न्यू मेमोरीज, रेट्रोग्रेड मीन्स लॉस ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग मेमोरीज. देन कॉन्फेबुलेशन, falsification of memory in an alert responsive individual. Memory problem associated with Korsakoff psychosis are irreversible. Then polyneuropathy called psychosis polyneurotica. Then muscular weakness, loss of deep reflex, unsteady gait, tenderness of the muscle, derangement of the perception and thought, loss of memory mainly of recent past, hallucination, disorientation and apathy. Then pathophysiology, thiamine is essential for the decarboxylation of pyruvate. Pyruvate का क्या करता है decarboxylation करवाता है. Deficiency causes damage to medial thalamus, mammillary bodies of the posterior hypothalamus. Medial thalamus and mammillary bodies of posterior hypothalamus. These brain regions are all part of limbic system. Part of limbic system which is heavily involved in emotion and memory. Memory और emotion में काम करता है ये. Etiology, thiamine deficiency, chronic alcoholism, severe malnutrition, eating disorder, prolonged vomiting, effects of chemotherapy, hyperemesis gravidarum और mercury poisoning. ये हो गया etiology. Then risk factor, age, alcohol, chemotherapy, dialysis, extreme dieting और genetic factor. Diagnosis, clinically diagnosed Korsakoff psychosis. Prevention to avoid thiamine deficiency. Treatment, one of thiamine replacement therapy, orally for 3 to 12 months, और IM और IV thiamine plus vitamin B complex, BDO TDS for 2 to 3 days. Proper diet and hydration and supportive care. Then वर्निक्स encephalopathy or dry beriberi. This is sudden onset, deficiency of vitamin B1 associated with persistent vomiting. Clinical feature, global confusion, ophthalmoplegia and ataxia. This is वर्निक्स encephalopathy. Then Marcia-Fava Bignami disease. This is due to demyelination of corpus callosum and optic tract. Corpus callosum and optic tract का demyelination से हो. Clinical feature, disorientation, delusion, epilepsy, dysarthria and ataxia. Alcoholic paranoia. In this condition, there is some kind of unreasonable suspicion without any basis for reality. Unreasonable suspicion without any basis for reality. It can be dangerous as the person experiencing it often become aggressive or violent against those they suspect. There is fixed delusion but no hallucination. No hallucination. Acute alcoholic hallucinosis. It is a persistent hallucination, either auditory hallucination or visual hallucination, developed within 48 hours after cessation of alcohol intake. Then alcoholic epilepsy, seizures develop after cessation of alcohol intake. Cardiac dysarrhythmia or holiday heart syndrome. There is atrial fibrillation induced by the binge alcohol consumption. Binge alcohol consumption इसमें आएगा atrial fibrillation. It occurs after 10 to 12 years of heavy alcohol abuse. 10 to 12 years of heavy alcohol abuse. Most common symptom is palpitation. Then arrack. Arrack is a type of liquor distilled from palm, rice, jaggery or sugar. Alcohol concentration varies from 40 to 50%. Potassium bromide or chlorohydrate is added to increase its potency. Sukha Sharab, it is a country made liquor where the chlorohydrate is added to increase the potency. Red Bidi, it is a variety of liquor where the methylated spirit is mixed with the cheap quality port or red wine. Alcoholics Anonymous, it is an international self-support organization consisting mainly of ex-alcoholics who encourages one another to abstain drinking alcohol. Then Mania Oportu is a person commit crime under the influence of heavy drinking in the state of amnesia, under the influence of heavy drinking. In this state, mind is considered to be a disorder of mind in the state of intoxication, thus cannot be liable for crime. Then Saturday night palsy, it is developed due to pressure over the nerve trunk after heavy drinking. The intoxicated person rests on the chair in such a position that the arms hang from the chair, pressing the armpit and leads to the paresis of upper extremity. This is Saturday night palsy. Then Malady-Weiss syndrome developed in chronic alcoholics. There is tear of esophageal or gastric mucosa near gastroesophageal junction due to forceful retching or vomiting causing hematemesis. Forceful retching और vomiting कहाँ पे आएगा? गैस्ट्रोएसोफेजियल जंक्शन पे. This is Malady-Weiss tear, गैस्ट्रोएसोफेजियल जंक्शन पे. Then micturition syncope occurs due to heavy beer drinking. He loses consciousness during urination at midnight due to sudden upright position. Then Munich beer hurt due to excessive and prolonged beer drinking causing cardiac dilatation and hypertrophy. In Otto-Weber syndrome, increased auto alcohol production in the body due to candida infection. Then important question of drunkenness: if a person causes public nuisance under the influence of alcohol is punishable under section 510 IPC. All are the differential diagnosis of drunkenness except head injury, dhatura poisoning, hyperglycemia, shock. Hypoglycemia नहीं होता है. Which one is the best test for detection of alcohol? Gas liquid chromatography, ADH enzyme method, Cabot method, Kozelka and Hein method. Gas liquid chromatography. All are true during collection of blood for alcohol detection except spirit is used for cleaning the skin. ये wrong है. Potassium oxalate and sodium fluoride is used as a preservative. Rubber stopper should be avoided. Freezing should be avoided. All are true except spirit is not used for cleaning the skin. Which statement is false during urine collection for alcohol detection? False during urine collection for alcohol detection. Acceptable level of ratio of urine and blood alcohol concentration 1.3:1. Correct. Phenyl mercuric nitrate is used as preservative. ये भी correct है. Second urine sample should be collected within 30 to 60 minutes. Urine has 50% more water than equal volume of blood. ये गलत है. 50% 25% होता है. ये wrong है. Important question of Korsakoff psychosis. Which type of psychosis is associated with the chronic alcohol abuse? Schizophrenic psychosis, Korsakoff psychosis, manic depressive psychosis, all of the above. Which vitamin deficiency causes Korsakoff psychosis? So, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. What is or are the feature of Wernicke's encephalopathy? Global confusion, ophthalmoplegia, ataxia, all of the above. All are true regarding Malady-Weiss syndrome except seen in chronic alcoholics, tears seen at gastroesophageal junction, tears seen at submucosal layer, tear formed due to forceful vomiting. Which of the following is true regarding micturition syncope? Occurs due to heavy beer drinking, losses consciousness during urination at midnight, due to sudden upright posture, all of the above. ये 5 क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट में करना है, फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे, इसका आंसर बताएंगे. दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल टॉपिक बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कोर्सोकोप साइकोसिस, देन वर्निक्स एंसेफेलोपैथी और ड्राई बेरी, मार्चेफाबा बिगनामी डिजीज, अल्कोहलिक पैरानोया, एक्यूट अल्कोहलिक हेलोसिनोसिस, देन अल्कोहलिक एपिलेप्सी, कार्डियक डिसएरिथमिया और हॉलिडे हार्ट सिंड्रोम, एरेक, सूखा शराब, रेड बीड़ी, अल्कोहलिक एनोनिमस, मेनिया एपोटू, सैटरडे नाइट पाल्सी, देन मेलेडी विज सिंड्रोम, मिक्चुरेशन सिंकोप और म्यूनिच बियर हार्ट, ऑटो ब्रेवरी सिंड्रोम. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.